But I think the reason I fell in love with him is because he reminded me of a friend from high school who reminded me of a guy I saw in a movie. Uh-oh.
When I was 19, it seemed to me I shouldn't be tied down to one guy. I loved him, and when we were together, we were just with each other. But if I went to Paris, for example, I thought I should have love affairs because I was 19. And I told him I was having love affairs, and he should too. And I wished he did. Not only because it would have made me feel less guilty, but also I would have thought he wasn't such a nerd if he did. But he said he cared for only me. And it made me feel like such a bad person. It's definitely one of the reasons I broke up with him. And then, when we broke up, he told me he had been having affairs with him. And then that just tore it. After that, I just thought he was a jerk. Pizza?